Okay, so we've just been to the laundry.
Yeah.
Now, they got to, you're not supposed to tell them that early. Hey. Okay, so Amanda's giving it away already. How much? I was going to ask you to guess, but Amanda couldn't wait to tell you. So, all of our washing for the week, we've just took it to this shop around the corner by Central, and they do all your washing, they dry it, and they fold it, and they put it in bags, and as Amanda's told us, totally free. We just had to supply the washing liquid. Other than that, we'll have a little look in a second. So here we are. So Amanda's bag, her hat, blanket for the bed, all my shirts and skids.
Yeah, new.
My new bag. All of these shirts, all of my skidders. All of Amanda's skidders, all the bed in there, a couple of towels, and all done and washed and folded for free. Now, this offer for free laundry goes until the 9th of November. And so if you go to the laundrette right in front of Pacific, right next to Pacific in the car park, by the car park, then you can take your stuff there and get it all done for free. So anyone that does watch this video, go and get your laundry done free.
Yeah.
How much, Amanda?
£0.
£0. You like free?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Amanda, or sorry, Doris, he's going to cut my hair. Cut my throat more like. Here she goes. Go. Quick. Now, what about your Thai girlfriends you like out there? Are they mad like Amanda? Like Doris? All Thai ladies crazy, yeah? So while Amanda's doing the back of my hair, I'll turn the camera to show you the view I got. This is Koh Loi, and they got all the lights going on down it because there's a pop star coming to celebrate what? Before. So this new hair clipper that I've bought, very good. Doesn't feel like she's tearing my hair off. But also, we got people fishing, getting their dinner. Fish stew tonight. So Koh Loi all lit up. Pop star comes, film star. She sings a couple of songs, and she's off to the next one. I think that's nearly my hair done. That really didn't take long. Very quick. I'm not so sure about the master, Amanda. I mean Doris. See, Cheap Charlie, I'm not missing yet. Amanda's taking over your place now, cutting my hair. But for an old man like me, my hair grows very quickly. We've got a boat going. Let's see if we I can't see a thing. I think I've got him. So that was done now, Doris.
Good.
We finished?
Not long time. I eat overload and chicken.
Okay. Not chicken. Chicken.
Chicken, chef.
Ow! That's my head, you know.
ขอโทษ
She's stabbing me in the head with this thing, trying to make me bleed. Gushing blood out. Yeah, so we're just out on the pier, out to watch some fish. She's ever so rough. Okay, good. Okay, you do the eyebrows at home, yeah? Okay. Yeah, we're out on the pier. Let me put my glasses back on so I can see. Oh, she's at it again. There's nothing else to cut. I'm more or less bold again. You happy with that, Doris? No more stabbing my head. Hey, so that's my haircut. If I can see, yeah, that's where I live over there, that tall building.
No me.
Hey, up there, tall building. What's the tall building called? Edgewood. Yeah. Lots of farang, and it's very expensive. Very expensive. Yeah. So yeah, that's haircut done. I can sit and drink my beer now. So, cheers. Cheers, you crazy lady. Well, you're looking at the moon. Thanks for the haircut. How much? Free. I had some good news today. Did $250 on the premium ones. $150 last month and $275 the month before, so doing all right on them. So yeah, it's like living here for free. Full moon, the werewolves are coming.
Hello, Pattaya. I drinking with you in the Pattaya if you have time. Okay?
Yeah, so what Amanda's saying is, if you fancy meeting up for a quick beer in Pattaya, we're going to pop over sometime over the next week or so and meet for a beer if you want. the event, message us, let us know. And you can meet this crazy lady.
I want to beer and tell more. You give me beer, okay?
You come and get it. Hold on.
Hello, Jay. You can come in the Thailand because Thailand good for you. See Jay and thank you everything you give me and she thank you.
So is he going to fall off or is he going to get off safely? So this man on the back is controlling the thing. I think he's here to change the light on the old lamppost up there. So, perfectly done. The name is Fufu. Fufu. Hello, Fufu.